In addition to their thermogenic properties, both ginger and turmeric help you feel, burn fat and take care of your digestion. In order to have losing weight be a more pleasurable experience, you should do activities and eat healthy nutritious foods. A balanced diet and plenty of physical activity are exactly what you need. However, you should also give this delicious turmeric and ginger tea a try. This tea will help you lose weight healthily and quickly. Both ginger and turmeric are well known in the culinary world and it's respected in natural medicine. Nature definitely doesn't make mistakes. You can find turmeric and ginger roots and powder at any supermarket or store. Continue listening to discover this tea's benefits. Weight loss benefits of turmeric. The following are the weight loss benefits of turmeric. Its curcumin contents help inhibit cell division, specifically fat cells. Thus, it prevents the formation of new fatty tissue and weight gain. This compound also helps lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and triglycerides, prevents insulin resistance and helps regulate blood glucose levels, thus preventing body fat from building up. It increases bile levels in the stomach. Bile is a substance that helps dissolve body fat, therefore, it helps the weight loss process. It contains polyphenols, which makes the root a powerful antioxidant that helps eliminate harmful substances. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects which are good for bloating. Also, it boosts the metabolism and helps burn fat naturally and quickly. Weight loss benefits of ginger. In any form, ginger can be a great ally to help you lose those extra kilos. It increases serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter responsible for controlling hunger and reducing the appetite. That's why ginger helps people eat less. It contains gingerol and shogaol, two active components that help speed up the metabolism. Therefore, it burns fat and has the body to consume its own energy. It makes fat burning more effective because it raises the body temperature. It's an effective antioxidant that removes toxins which foster diseases, water retention, swelling, and weight gain. The benefits of ginger and turmeric tea. Ginger and turmeric tea is a powerful medicinal mixture. It has many health-benefiting properties. Listed below are the main benefits of drinking it. It helps keep the liver in good condition. This combination contains substances that protect all liver cells. You may also drink this tea if you suffer from gallstones. The same protective substances help the gallbladder and fight diseases that may affect it. It helps digestion. This tea is an excellent digestive tonic, perfect for people who suffer from slow digestion and dyspepsia. This tea also helps relieve gastritis, due to its carminative properties. The ginger and turmeric tea helps eliminate gases and flatulence caused by irregular or slow digestion. It also is an excellent natural medicine for colds and flu. This drink is high in vitamin C, niacin, phosphorus, and potassium. All of these are substances that strengthen the immune system. Additionally, it's good for treating coughs and phlegm. Delicious ginger and turmeric tea to help you lose weight. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 10 grams, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 30 grams, 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams, 2 cups of water, 500 milliliters. Preparation: peel and grate the ginger. Heat the water and add the ginger. Wait about 5 or 10 minutes until it boils. Afterwards, take it off the heat, strain and keep the liquid. Pour the liquid into a cup and add the turmeric powder. Add some honey to sweeten the tea and stir with a spoon. You can add a few drops of lemon juice to give it some flavor. If you prefer, you can add a lemon slice. How to take it and lose weight. This drink is intended to boost the metabolism. Therefore, you must know when you should drink it in order to lose weight naturally and quickly. Follow these instructions and see the results. Drink on an empty stomach throughout the day. You can also drink during your workouts, meaning drinking more tea than water. This way you'll stay hydrated, have more energy, and lose weight. As mentioned above, this tea helps you feel satiated. Therefore, we also recommend drinking it 30 minutes before meals. This way, you won't feel so anxious during meals. Remember, this ginger and turmeric tea isn't a miracle drink. Although it has many properties that will help you lose weight, you should also have a balanced diet and get plenty exercise. If you like the video, like it and share it to your friends. If you like more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.